This AWS Cloud Lab demonstrates how to create free AWS Cloud Account. Everyone can create free AWS Personal account for Learning Cloud, preparing for certifications, hands-on labs, research, proof of concepts, etc. AWS provides over 100 of services within free tier. Some are 12 months free and some are always free. You won't pay any cost to AWS if you use these AWS services within limits. If you navigate to Google and search for AWS signup, you will find AWS free tier page. Click on AWS signup link from the search results. Direct link to this page is also given in the description of this video. Click on Create a Free Account button. Direct link to this page is also given in the description of this video. To start with, AWS will ask root user email address. This is your root user login to your AWS account. Provide personal email that is not used for any previous AWS accounts. Give some AWS account name that easy to remember. This can be changed later if needed. Click on Verify Email Address button. You will receive email verification code into your email inbox. Please verify spam folder if you could not find it. Provide that verification code and click Verify button. Once your email has been successfully verified, provide root user password. Please note this root user password to login. Confirm the same password once more and click on Continue button. Now provide your contact information. You can choose Personal Radio button. Give full name, phone number and country details. Scroll a bit down, provide address details and select the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on Continue button. AWS ask your card details. Note that there will be no charges if you utilize under free tier limits. AWS only holds a small amount to verify your card. Example, in India AWS charges like 2 rupees only. AWS has many services under free tier for you to learn and practice. But it is mandate to provide the card details. So provide one of the valid credit or debit card details on this page. Scroll a bit down, provide the identity or tax identifier number as per your country needs. In India, AWS will ask for PAN number. You can choose no option on this page, but need to provide later to validate the identity. Click on Verify and Continue button. Depending on your card provided bank security configurations, you might be asked for additional OTP like this screen. Provide the OTP you received on the mobile phone as text message. You will be taken back to AWS signup page. AWS makes it mandatory to provide the identification details to avoid spam use of AWS accounts. Select the primary purpose as personal use. Ownership type as individual. You can select one of the allowed document type and provide the details. Example, in India, AWS ask for PAN number to verify your identity. Scroll a bit, select the content checkbox to give your consent to AWS to verify your identity. Click on Continue button to proceed. Continuing your identity, AWS will try to verify your mobile number. For this, choose verification code delivery method as text message and provide the country code and mobile phone number. Click on Send SMS button. AWS might challenge CAPTCHA screen to avoid bot and spam traffic. Provide the CAPTCHA code. Click Submit. Now AWS will be asking to enter the OTP code to your mobile phone number that you provided in previous screen. Enter that OTP and click Continue button. Finally, AWS will ask you to choose the support plan. Select the basic support plan, which is free of cost. Click Complete Sign Up button. You should see Thank You page with Congratulations message. Click on Go to the AWS Management Console button. You might see AWS Personalize Your Experience page. Choose your role and interested topic. Click on Submit button. Now click on Sign In to the console button available on top section of this page. You might see AWS Console homepage. Now you logged in as AWS root user. It is always recommended to enable MFA to protect your AWS root user login. Search for the service IAM on the top left search bar. Select the IAM service in the results. Once you are in IAM dashboard, you will see AWS giving security recommendations to add MFA for root user. Click on Add MFA button on right side section of that recommendations. Once you see the MFA page, provide the device name. If you are going to use your phone as MFA, you can provide something like my phone in the device name. Scroll down a bit and select Authenticator app as the option. Click Next button. Meanwhile, download any Authenticator apps on your mobile phone like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator, etc. Direct links to these mobile apps are provided in this video description. Once you see Setup Device page, click on Show QR Code under Step 2. It will show a QR code you can scan from your Authenticator app installed on your mobile phone. Once you scan an added QR code via mobile Authenticator app, enter the dynamic code displayed in the Authenticator app. Finally, click Add MFA button. You should see MFA is successfully enabled for your root user login. To test MFA, log out from the current session. Click on top right corner AWS account name and click on Sign Out button. Now click on Sign In button to log in again into AWS Console. Note that you will not be logged in as IAM user. The user ID you recently created is in root user. So you need to choose Sign In using root user email button. Enter the recently created root user email address and password in the password field. Click on Sign In button. Now enter the MFA code from the mobile Authenticator app. Click on Sign In button. After successful login, you will be seeing AWS Console homepage again. With this, you have enabled MFA for root user and tested it successfully. Now your AWS account is more secure and ready to use for learning.